If you try to launch Forspoken on the Xbox app or Microsoft Store and the game crashes, shows an error, or the game doesn't even open, then this could be happening because your drivers might be outdated, or your game files are damaged or corrupt. So in this tutorial we'll teach you several methods to fix your game. Open your Xbox app. Select Forspoken. Click on the three dots. Select Manage. Open the Files tab. Click on Check for Updates. This will check for updates in case there's a new update that will resolve your issue. If that didn't work, select Verify and Repair. Choosing to verify and repair your files will reset Forspoken to its original settings. You won't retain any mod files, and game saves that aren't backed up may also be lost. Press Yes. Now wait for Forspoken to be scanned for errors. Now try to launch your game. First, open the Start menu. Open your settings. Open Apps. Open the Installed Apps section. Locate Forspoken. Click on the three dots to open the Forspoken options. Click on Advanced Options. Look for the Reset section. If Forspoken isn't working right, you can try to repair it. The Forspoken data won't be affected. Now press Repair. If Forspoken is still not working right, reset it. Now press the Reset button. The Forspoken's data will be deleted. Now press Reset. If Forspoken still not working, you could try to reinstall it. Press Uninstall. Open the Xbox app to download Forspoken again. Locate Forspoken. Press Install. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.